Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install Shoebox receipt scanner app in your device. Shoebox is a receipt scanner app designed specifically for managing receipts and business expenses. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Shoebox receipt scanner app. There you can see Shoebox Receipt Scanner app by shoebox.com. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Shoebox Receipt app to manage your receipts and business expenses. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.